Okay, let's show how to do use particles to trace to extrude shapes across the screen. Okay, so let's delete the default cube. Let's do a Bezier circle. Let's go in the top view. Let us do over here. We'll do 2D. And then we can go into edit mode. We can do fill. Not sure that doesn't work. Let's have a look. Fill front. Okay, now we've got a thingy. Whatever. Let's set up a camera angle. That's good. Let's go into rendered view. Let's give it a material. Let's give it a name. Circle. Let's give material. Let's make it emission. Favorite color would be, of course, bluish. Let's delete the light. No, we're in edit mode. Let's delete the light. Let's darken our background somewhat. Okay. So now we've got a shape which is going to trace across the screen. Let's hide that for a sec. Okay, we need to now make a cube. We're going to create a mesh of one vertices, and that's what will emit our particles. Okay, so we do this. We go into edit mode. We do M. So we're going to merge, and then at center. Okay, out of edit mode. We're going to now make an empty arrows, so we can see our one vertices mesh. So we'll first select the empty, and then the let's first rename this emit master. So this is the actual thing which will be emitting particles. So first the empty, then control, and then select. And we're going to do P, no, control P, and then object. So this is now parented. The empty is parented to the thingy. All right. Let us set up a path quickly. So let us yeah, go here, follow path. Okay, we actually need to make a path. So let's just do a Bezier curve. Bezier curve. Let us edit that. Edit mode. Let's just lighten up the screen a bit. We can go actually over here. And let's brighten up the screen. So we're now in solid shading mode. Okay, let us bring this over here. Let's subdivide, get one more segment. Let's bring this one over here. So that will go there. Let's scale this one up and rotate it. Undo that one went a bit wrong. And scale this up a bit and rotate it. Okay, that'll do, fine, whatever. Let's move the whole thing down a little bit. Okay, let us give it some good resolution. Okay, out of edit mode, set this back to our path. Let's choose the Bezier curve. All right, and we're going to do a fixed position. So now it's going to follow it nicely. Okay, that's good. So still on our emit master, we're now going to set up the particles. Let's do plus. We need to go to render. We need to go to object. We need to go to circle. Okay, let's give ourselves a 60 frame long scene. So for now, we'll also give ourselves a lifetime of 60 frames. Thousands okay for now. Two other things we need to change is we need to go to velocity, has to be 0, and we need to go to, oh, actually, sorry, back to render. Where's render? Where's render? Scale here, render, scale needs to be 1. Okay, and now we see it there. The other thing we need to change, so we don't actually have any physics, is gravity to 0. Okay, and now when we pull it across, nothing happens. Not sure why. Could it be because we are here? Okay. Did something wrong. Let's have a quick look back in particles. Lifetime. Maybe gravity. Scale. Object. Circle. Let us just quickly animate that. So offsets there. Shift right arrow and then on 1 here. Okay, now I think it was because we had no animation maybe. All right, we can turn off uh, widgets, whatever. Okay, now we see we've got quite a nice, yeah, quite a nice thing. We can maybe make the Bezier circle a bit smoother. Yeah. Okay. Oh, damn. There was a issue with. Mm, yeah, I'm gonna have to make another film about that. But there was an issue about. Let me think. Yeah, maybe I'll make another film. I'll make a part 2 talking about the issue is where is this um where is the origin? It's in the middle, but that will actually affect the angles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a part 2. This is just showing the basic thing how it works, and then the part 2 will maybe go a little bit more into detail. Yep. Yeah, more detail about like nice motion graphic stuff.